Hello traders, my name is Patrick Innocent and I'm the CEO of Patricon Digital Hub, and I'm super excited to announce to you that in the last interview we held with Sir MJ Young, where he made an announcement that he was going to give out $250 through the funded Program Africa Scholarship for you to be able to pay for your Forex course and also get access to his free Forex mentorship. I'm super excited to announce to you that he has actually fulfilled his promise. And a lot of traders like you have started benefiting from this program. So guys, let's take a moment to review what traders are saying about the funded Program Africa Scholarship with Sir MJ Young. These are some of the lucky participants who were able to participate in the funded program scholarship with Sir MJ Young. And these are some of their reviews, some of their reactions about the Forex training. Someone said, I'm simply amazed. Guys, somebody said, so excellent. I've never seen this before. So you can read through the comment and see the outstanding remarks they are making about their first training in the funded program with Sir MJ Young. And guess what, guys? The funded Program Africa Scholarship is open for international traders as well. So you can participate from anywhere you are in the world. And right now, we already have participants from over 15 different countries. Countries like the United States, Dubai, Kenya, South Africa, all are participants of the funded Program Africa. So let's listen to Sir MJ Young to find out how you can participate in the funded Program Africa Scholarship.
Hello traders, my name is Sir MJ Young. I'm the founder of FX Oracle AI Global. And I'm here to introduce you to the funded Program Africa, which is called the 7G Network. I want to introduce you to our academy and our sponsorship program. This program is specially designed to actually help you achieve your Forex dream from a beginner to finished. But here is the key thing, right? The program, the starters program, the beginner 7G academic program for starters and for existing traders actually costs $250, but you are not paying it. The funded program is going to send the money to your wallet for you to pay for that program. The only thing you need to do to qualify for this program is simply, number one, you have to open a trading account with one of the partnering broker and sponsors of the funded program scholarship. Number two, you also have to fund that account with a minimum of $20 and above. This is your sign of commitment to yourself. You are not giving us the money. This is a sign that you are serious, and this qualifies you for the $250 for the funded program scholarship course. Remember, the $250 is simply to pay for your course. We will send the money to your wallet once we verify that you have credited your own personal trading account with the Octa FX using our link. It is going to be amazing. You're going to be introduced to how trading works. You are going to be introduced to the main thing that you need to know about trading. This promises to be great. Remember, this is the only program where you don't pay money. Outside of that, we will also be sponsoring you for another advanced program with maybe one of the top 5 Forex traders in Nigeria by the funded program. But that is going to come later after you have done your beginners class with us. Remember, do not give anybody money. You only qualify for the scholarship, and you need to do it now. To join this program and get more of inquiry, where you can have access to my to our training and free mentorship for now, you need to go to the description button and join the WhatsApp group ASAP as fast as possible. We are going to be receiving you, and we are going to be enrolling you in the program. Remember, you must have a $20 minimum above to fund your personal trading account. That is not a fee. That is not the money you give to us. After you do that, we will send you the $250, which you can't withdraw, but only use to actually subscribe. Make sure you join right now before it is too late. Thank you.
Traders, you've heard it all. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell, because this Wednesday, we will be bringing you a new episode on the Patricon Morning Show with Sir MJ Young. and I'll see you guys in the next episode.